Hi, I'm Foreman, and today I want to show you how I'm going to make this little connector check valve, this guy here, out of some 7/16 brass hex stock. We're doing Op1 right now, and the piece will look like this. We're going to cut an undercut, cut some 7/16 20 threads, a little internal relief, and then we're going to 45 the end. We're going to make this part on this old Southbend lathe, and I'm going to show you how we're going to do it. So we're going to machine these parts from a 4-foot section of 7/16 C360 brass. It's a yellow brass. It's not red brass. And on that we're going to put a little bushing so we can run it out the tailstock and not have it flipping all over the place. So we'll stick it out the front. Bushing will be at the back, and we'll move the bushing until it stops whipping around, and that's it. So here's tooling we're going to use. We're going to use this tool post, and then in one end we got a turning tool, in the other end we got a parting tool and a 45-degree tool. That's to cut the 45 on that little piece, and this is to cut it off. This is to turn it down to the different dimensions. We're going to use this little stick out tool to set the length, and then down here we're going to use the indicator stop, but we got a 2-position stop, a little slug with a hole in it. Gives us 2 stops, one there, flip it over, got one there. I'll show you how that works when we get running. Then we're also going to use this homemade die holder on a shaft to put the threads on. That's about all there is to it, and I'm going to start it up and show you how it works. So we got to make about 400 of these parts. So we've marked our dial, and we've already run about 300, so we got a pretty dialed in setup. Right now we got T1, that's our first turn. Then we got our 45-degree chamfer operation, our second turn, and then our groove depth. So that's all set on our dial, and all we got to do is get the stop set and turn it on. We're ready to roll. Move over, cut the 45. Then we stick it out. Cut the groove. Back out. Put the tool to T1. No chamfer. T2. Quick tool. Lower speed. A little bit of juice. Threading tool. High T. Flip her up, blow it out, cut it off. One more time, move over. 45. Back it out. Move it over. Quick stop. Shut it off. Stick it out. To the groove. Loose it up, flip it down. Grease it up. Thread it. Got it up. So we run about 15 parts, and then we check every one of them. Most important is the thread diameter on the money. Check the lengths. Check our groove. Check another groove. Check a thread. Check a thread. Check a length. We're running about ±3 is what I'd say on length, and on diameter we're probably ±2. Thanks.